GoPro installation tutorial. Mounting the GoPro requires 3 accessories and the GoPro. Pick up the GoPro body and GoPro adapter. Install the GoPro adapter as shown in the video. Pick up the long thumb screw. Pass it through the hole on the end of the GoPro adapter and tighten it. Pick up the quick release plate with screw. Quick release plate facing forward. Then screw into the bottom of the GoPro adapter. And tighten with an Allen hex key. Loosen the safety lock of the quick release plate. Clip the quick release plate into the fixed plate slider. Retighten the safety lock of the quick release plate. Then we complete the installation. Thanks for watching.